Hi there, Anthony here at Gigaparts. Today I want to talk to you about if you are looking to build your own system. Here at Gigaparts, we have you covered. We have everything you need, starting out with cases. Motherboards from Intel and AMD, video cards from NVIDIA and AMD, processors from everybody, including Intel, AMD, and I know I already mentioned video cards, but coming very soon, these two will be available, the RTX 30 series. Power supplies from brands such as EVGA, Seasonic, and much more. And of course, cables and adapters galore. If it's computer related, we probably have it. If it's computer related, come and check us out. Because of our spooky savings, here at Gigaparts, if you show up in costume here at Gigaparts, you can actually have a little extra savings. Bonus points if you let us take pictures so we can put it on our socials. Also here at Gigaparts, we have amazing financing options, not just if you buy a pre-built system, but if you're building as well. Gigaparts, of course, is located at 1426B Paramount Drive, just past Providence on 72, headed west. We have gaming computers and peripherals too.